Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I've got trying to do a chrome delete on the truck. My front and rear bumpers are the only piece of chrome I got left besides these headlights, which I'm going to change out today. I found somebody online, actually the same guy that I bought my wheels from. He went ahead and got the Morimoto headlights. So I asked him if he wanted to sell his stock halogen sport headlights, which are just same halogen. They're just blacked out on the sides and it's baked on the front, and he wanted to sell them, so I bought them. They arrived today, so I'm gonna do a quick little video on how to install them. So let's get started. So what you're gonna want to do is take this plastic piece off right here. It's got these little rivet pop tabs right here. There's quite a few of them. Just take all them out, get you a screwdriver, and just pop them up, take them out. So you'll take this plastic piece off. So when I get done with that, I'm going to take the grill off, which I've had this grill off a bunch because I wired up this emblem and a few other things. But once I take, see if I can kind of do one on video for y'all. You're going to just pop that just like that, take it up, boom, and then put that over to the side. Don't lose it. So you'll take all them off just like that, and when I do that, I'll be back with you in just a second. All right, so once you get all, there should be about that many. I don't know how many it is, but there's a few. I'm missing some from the last time I took it off. So you're just gonna take this thing off, put it on the ground, put your clips right there so you don't lose them. And then what we're gonna do, there's a bolt here that needs to come out. And there's also one down here that needs to come out, and there's two right here, but of course I can't get to them until I take the grill out. So, and what you want to do to take the grill off is you take this bolt out, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Take all those out, and there's one up here and another one here. I might miss one or two, but you get the point. Take the damn bolts out and then pull the grill off. I'll try to, when I get ready to pull it off, I'll show you how to pull it off. There's 8 of them. I lied, you don't take this one or this one out. So once you get all the bolts out, you just take this and pull it, okay? Don't just be rough with it. You might break it a little bit. Break a clip or two, it ain't the end of the world. But I'm trying not to pull it all off because I've got a Raptor light bar and this Grille emblem here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one side at a time. I've got enough access now to reach these 2 bolts I need to take out. So, which is right here, and there's another one right down here. So you're gonna need a 10 millimeter for all of these. The 4 on the headlight, and then the grill is 10 millimeter too. So take that off, and there's one here. All right, and I'm gonna put the camera down and do the other one, and then I'll come back and do this one down here. All right, I upgraded my filming skills here. I got me a little mount. Anyway, you're gonna take this off like this, and there's gonna be, this one's the tricky one. There'll be one down in here. It's kind of a pain. You might feel like you're gonna bend something. You might, but oh well. You stick your socket in there, wiggle it on there, and take that bolt off. I'm gonna turn the camera off now and use 2 fingers, but that's where your last one's at. You need to get it. All right, I got all the 4 out. This one up top, 2 here, and then 1 over there. And then I had to put the camera down to use 2 hands, but this headlight was a little hard to come out. You can see I kind of scratched it a little bit. You just got to kind of wiggle and jerk it and wiggle it, and it'll eventually come out. As you can see, I've got LED headlights in here from the last time I took these off, so I just got to be a little bit careful with those. But let's see if I can put this camera down or put it up on a mount and see if I can pull it back some. All right, got the old one off. I'm gonna put the new one back on. It's the same thing. You just unplug, use my LED lights. You just put them in the same way you took everything out, and then you bolt it back up the opposite of what you unbolted it. So I don't think I'm gonna have to show everybody how to do that, but basically I do the same steps in reverse order that I just did. So once I get that done and the other side done is the same exact way, I'll show you how to adjust your headlights at night so you don't get flashed up and down. and I'll show you the finished product. All right, I got done and I had to redo this one, so it's something y'all are gonna wanna watch when you change it. When you take them off, they're gonna have this little rubber gasket for your headlights. Every light has it, but the circle for the headlight bulbs are bigger. When I was putting that one on, I realized that the gasket, so I had to take this one off to make sure, and I had it on the top one, but the gasket wasn't on this bottom one down here, so I had to redo that. So just to save y'all some time, be sure to check for this little rubber seal when y'all do it. And there's a trick to these lights. I'm gonna put this little, how to take them in and out. You gotta set them up there and push them down. I'll try to show you real quick when I do this last one. All right, this when you put the headlights in, you're gonna you're sitting right here. You're gonna want to take this thing and stick it in there, and then when you get it to about right here, you're gonna want to push it down to slide up in there. And it's the same way when you're taking it out. In order to pull it out, you've got to push down and then pull out. So just remember that, push down, pull out. And when you're putting it back in, put the bottom in, get it close, push down and push in. So that's how you take them in and out. A little tricky, but. Okay, I said I was gonna go over how to adjust the headlights. So getting a flat surface where you can obviously see your beam somewhere. This is the flattest up in my garage, and I'm gonna put it up against here. I am leveled on 37s, and when I had the other halogens in, I went all the way down. But you see right here, right to the left of the driver's side headlight, there's little holes, a Phillips head. There'll be another one right here. You can probably see this one a little better. It's a little little Phillips head. You just do that counterclockwise to go down and clockwise to go up. So I don't know if who I bought these from were lowered already. So I'm going to focus. Okay, I was wrong. You go clockwise to go down. So I'm gonna go all the way down just because I know that's what I had on my other truck because I was getting flashed all the time. And I just went all the way down. So we're pretty close to all the way down. All right, right there. So this one is clearly lower than this one. So I'm gonna go over here and clockwise again, and it'll bring it down. Bring it back up a little. I think that looks pretty level. And level as you can get with halogens, but that's all you gotta do. All right. All right, so we're done. I got both sides installed. Looks so much better. Once I get rid of my chrome bumpers, I won't have any more chrome on it. Did the Lariat badges, fake Lariat Sport, I don't care. I like the look of it. So the XLT is a lot cheaper. Sure, I wish I would have had a King Ranch or something. Well, I still had to be a limited, not to be a pheasant. But this is the look I was going for. If they'd had a Lariat Sport in 2018, I'd have got it. But it come out in 19 after I bought mine, and I would have spent the extra money and got a Lariat Sport. And then I'd have been mad again in 2020 when they come out with LED headlights for the Sport, and I'd have been rolling around with halogens. But anyway, this is the look I'm going for. Once I get rid of the bumpers, it's all good. 2.5 inch ready lift on it, 37 1350 Nitto ridge graps, Lariat Sport badges. I've done a few extra things to it. If I can turn this on real quick, I got the Ford Putco emblem. I'll link that in the description too. But I got that wired up to an upfitter switch, so if I don't want it on all the time, I can turn it off. I've had an old bulletproof hitch that I really liked, but it was just too big and I couldn't fit in my garage without taking it out, so I bought a way safe. But this is what I'm rolling with now. So if you got any questions, or I'll link the thing in the description. If you got any questions, let me know, and I'll help walk you through it. But this is what I'm rolling with. I think the headlights turned out a lot better. I would like to have the Morimoto ones, but you know, whatever. I got these for $350 with shipping, so I couldn't beat it. Anyway, if y'all liked it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'll keep videos coming. Appreciate y'all.